Okay, here we are. Whoops, good grief. So I got my numbers, resin. Everything looks better with resin on it. And we got, this turned out pretty good because I wiped it off as I was going. So I like how it went to a little point right there. And it matches my not so good leaf, but we'll fix it. Okay, on to the good stuff. What do we got here? This is our little thinker man. Poured him with copper and black. Jeez. It was a little thick on this end, so it did get a little warm when I poured it, I noticed. But it didn't
Melt anything?
flash cure or anything, so. It looks pretty cool. Didn't end up half and half, which I was sort of hoping that it didn't. But there's that. Cute. We have a live audience today, folks. Okay, what do we got here? We got this leaf that likes to retain its bubbles on me. But we'll see. Gold, gold, gold. Not too bad. I guess I'm getting better at getting the bubbles out. Okay. Now we got our ginkgo leaf, which turned out pretty cool last time. This is also black and copper with clear. I think there might have been just a smidge of blue, but I don't know if that would even show up. Used our leftovers. Oh, good grief. This one always turns out so pretty. No bubbles. A little bit of see-through right there, right there. Got like a square in the middle. How'd that work? But it's pretty.
Oh, cool. I'd ask how you did that, but you'd say, I don't know.
No, I can tell you, but we have to watch. You have to watch the video.
All right.
I did it yesterday.
Are you posted?
Not yet. Well, yeah, it is too. It is posted. So this will be. There's part 1, part 2, and the unveiling is part 3 because it gets to be sort of long when you do as much as I did yesterday. Okay, here's our other leaf with the shells and the sand and fish, which none of the above you'll probably be able to see. Okay. Oh, we can see the shells. The fish have died. They're buried in there, along with the shells. Can't see any of them. But it's pretty. And it's a lot more sturdy than that. I mean, it's that other one. Sorry, Cheryl. Okay. Hand me down.
The heart?
Yeah.
And the leaf?
Yeah. Okay, here's this leaf. I'm sort of excited to see this one. This one is the same colors that I used. It was all just left over from the Grateful wooden leaf and also from, well, this is the one that probably has a little bit of blue in it, and then the rest of the sand, because I used all my leftovers. So yeah, there's the blue. Ooh, birthday. Birthday. Ooh, I like it. Some things stuck to there. Yeah, come on. Go.
Ooh,
Just that, and then we're done.
I like that.
I know, right? Okay, here's my leftover for my dragonfly. One. Wing. Poured the black, and then what was left through, I put some mica powder in. The black was left over from another project. This thing is so shallow it just runs, so I have to cut these. He's cute. He's always missing his tail a little bit because there's nothing there to hold resin. Turned out pretty good. Not that cattails are ever blue, but I guess this one is. And his little body. And the rocks.
Blue rocks to go with your blue
Lots
cattails.
of trimming, yep. It's the water.
Ah.
They're in the water. Okay, that's it. Thanks, folks. Bye.